Okay, so hi, hello. We're now in our next video in our mental puzzles here, and we're on our number two mental puzzle. So this is a special video series for our channel. So our second mental puzzle tells us or asks us, um, all five sisters are doing something at this very moment. Rosie is reading a novel, Maria is gardening, Jessica is playing chess, and Clarisse is washing the dishes. So we have four sisters here that is stating what they're doing right now. Rosie is reading a novel again, Maria is gardening, Jessica is playing chess, and Clarisse is washing the dishes. The question is, what is the last or the fifth sister doing? Okay, since there are five sisters having here. So I'll give you time to think about it. Go. Okay, so I think you have enough time for that. Maybe you can pause the video if you want, but now we're going to give you the answer. Again, let me read this again. All five sisters are doing something at this very moment. Rosie is reading a novel, Maria is gardening, Jessica is playing chess, and Clarice is washing the dishes. What is the last or the fifth sister doing? The answer is, well, she is playing chess. Okay, why is that the answer? Um, Simply because one cannot play chess alone, since chess cannot be a one-player game. Chess is exactly a two-player game. So Jessica here, we have stated here from the facts that is given to us, Jessica is playing chess, so Jessica cannot play chess alone, so it's very reasonable that the last sister is playing chess with Jessica. Okay, so meaning Jessica is playing chess with the last or the fifth sister. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you got that right. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, see ya.